So it has been 10 days since my last seedling sowing thing, and this time around it's looking quite good. I did change the soil mix a bit. I put a bit more compost in it, and also I put it out in this shady area instead of using grow lights because I think I burned them the last time, so looks kind of good. Look at this huge squash. So hopefully they do grow out well, and right now I just have to plan where I want to put them. I'm thinking that this area would be great for the spaghetti squash. So in here I have some rattan sticks that I'm gonna paint black again, and then we're gonna make a trellis out of it. Let's get to it. There's still a lot left, so I'm gonna keep it for next time. Okay, now the teepees are up and they look super cute. So it's pretty random. I didn't really measure it, and I just tied it with the string, went all around here and there, and I probably should secure it with more steel wires, but I'll do that later. So I finally made up my mind what I'm gonna do here, and now that the teepees are up, I'm gonna add more of the drip system. I also added more compost and fertile soil, so then things might be able to grow. We'll see. And if you're wondering what this is, this plank was about to give way, and so I have to re-secure it with this little piece of wood, which does not look super promising, but let's hope it stays. Now we can put the squash in. I also have to put more drip stuff here. Finally harvested the first fruits in the garden, and it's these mandarins, and I got a little bit of juice out of it. Not much, but still better than none. I also added a little cage for the watermelon to grow. Flowers, bean flowers starting to come out. This corn corner has a massive plant there, but the rest are not doing so well. And there are beans here. First 2 beans. This is the spinach bed, and it is finally popping. And over here I did plant a few Korean radishes. I don't know what they're gonna turn out, but I'm glad they popped. And for the worm compost, it looks like it's okay, I guess. So I did mention before about germinating seeds in the cells or straight on the ground, and I didn't know cucumber would do better actually from the ground, so I actually already germinated a few cucumbers and they were not looking too great, so then I just put 6 different types of cucumber, just trying my luck, and all of them popped here, and the first leaves are just showing after a week, so very good find. Very excited. I also did a naughty sprinkle of tomatoes and they kind of popped, but we'll see what happens. I have finally managed to stabilize the water in here because it was kind of my last choice, but finally did it. So I just pulled a whole new line that just goes just to this bed, and that allowed the water to reach all the way here. Now I'm confident to be planting things in this bed, and I am just gonna sprinkle lettuce seeds
sorrel, endive, because all those I've been trying to germinate and it just keeps failing on me, so maybe I'll try it this way. I might just do the rocket and broccoli since they're here too, so let's try. I refilled the beds. It has been sinking, added more compost, added more fertile soil. Let's hope these seeds do well this time round. I know I shouldn't be putting it too close to each other, but I don't think all of them will sprout. And I probably will do the thinning method, so once they do sprout, I'll just pick some off if I don't want them there. Insane how tiny these sorrel seeds are. Like, how would I guess this is just gonna be my salad bed. That'd be nice if this works out. There are 3 broccoli seedlings ready, but they look really skinny, so gonna try 3. Let's do 3, 4, because they might all just not survive, or I at least get 1. I think I might just add a few pak choys around since they do well. So the last time I did the spinach, I covered the whole bed with plastic first for a few days till it germinated. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process. Let's hope this salad bed works out.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode for more updates about this garden.